They say only 1 in 10 people feel truly fulfilled by their success. Think about that number, 90%. That means most of us, maybe you, maybe me, are pouring our energy, our lives, into chasing something that could leave us feeling hollower than when we started. What if the dream isn't just hard to reach, but a kind of beautiful, devastating mirage? We've been fed a relentless narrative. Push harder, climb higher. Success is the destination. Happiness is just one more achievement away. But what if this whole frantic climb is taking us up a structure built on nothing? What if success, as we've been pushed to chase it, is a promise that dissolves the moment you touch it? We trade sleep for deadlines, our health for the hustle, the messy richness of relationships for progress. All for a finish line that recedes the moment we get close. And when we finally collapse at some temporary milestone, we're often too exhausted, too emptied, to feel anything at all. The pursuit doesn't just demand our time, it bleeds away our lives. Missed birthdays you can never get back. Sleepless nights where your mind won't quiet. The cold, quiet weight of guilt from canceled plans. That lingering ache of letting people you love down. All for a promotion, a paycheck, a fleeting moment of external validation that never quite fills the hungry space inside. We whisper to ourselves, "It's temporary, just until I get there." But what if this frantic, aching existence is the cost? What if this is the shape of the life we were told to desperately want? We've twisted exhaustion into a strange status symbol. "I'm so busy" isn't a complaint anymore, it's a distorted boast. Sleepless nights? Look how dedicated I am. Burnout? See how much I cared. When did we collectively decide that being on the verge of breaking was a sign of winning? I have everything I was told would make me happy. So why? Why do I feel like I'm disappearing? For centuries, the wise ones tried to warn us. The ancient philosophers knew this hunger. "He who knows he has enough is rich," they said. But we have been relentlessly programmed, taught that enough is a failure, a sign you stopped too soon. And so we keep running toward the shimmering lie in the distance, parched, exhausted, lungs burning, yet too busy chasing the illusion to notice we're choking on dust. Let me tell you about James. By 30, he'd hit every marker. The successful startup founder, the awards, the life that looked picture-perfect online. Then it fractured. It wasn't a slow realization, but a sudden, terrifying collapse. A panic attack, gripping him in the middle of a Tuesday meeting. And in that raw, suffocating wave, the facade shattered. He saw the truth laid bare. The endless nights fueled by anxiety. A marriage that had shrunk to polite, rushed texts. A life overflowing with accomplishments, yet echoing with a profound, aching emptiness. He walked away, not from the possibility of success itself, but from the brutal, silent lie that chasing it had to cost him every single thing that truly mattered. Real success isn't measured in metrics or likes. It's a feeling. It's found in the quiet moments you don't curate for anyone else. The slow, deep breaths on a walk. The comfort of shared silence. The deep-down peace of knowing, truly knowing, who you are, stripped of all the titles and external validation. Enough is not a number. It is a decision. That simple, powerful truth. Enough isn't a destination you arrive at after checking off boxes. It's the brave, conscious choice to decide what is truly valuable, and to build your life there. The wisdom of the Stoics echoes. True strength lies in focusing on what is actually within your power, your actions, your values, your inner world. Let the rest blur into the background noise, because the moment you stop chasing their version of success is the moment you catch your own breath and step onto your own solid ground. So I'll ask you now, not as a voice speaking at you, but as one human being reaching out to another. Look inside, in the quiet spaces between the tasks and the targets. What are you truly pouring your life force into? and more honestly than you've ever asked yourself before. Is it truly, deeply worth the precious, irreplaceable cost? Pause for a moment. What does enough feel like to you? Share your thoughts below. If these questions resonate, if this feels familiar, share this with someone else who might be running just as hard, because it's time we collectively question the mirage. It's time we stopped chasing the lie in the distance and started finding the water, the life that's been waiting for us right here all along.